This is lesson 21. I'm sorry, we're going to do lesson 20. Sorry. Lesson 20, indirect objects. This should actually be a bit of a review for us too. Okay? So we're going to write at the top, our direct objects come after the action verb. And answer who or what. Our indirect objects indicate the person or thing to whom something is given. So to whom or for whom. Okay? To whom or for whom the direct object is given. Okay? So the first sentence, Old Mother Hubbard could not give her poor dog a bone. Okay? Our subject is Old Mother Hubbard. Could not give is our verb. Give what? Bone. That's our direct object. And our indirect object is dog. To whom are they giving the bone to? Okay? Remember, it's always verb, indirect object, direct object. You can never have an indirect object without a direct object. You have to have the two together. You have to have both. You have to have both direct object and indirect object. Okay? Our indirect object is diagrammed just like this. So we have Mother Hubbard could give what? Bone. Here's our indirect object. Her poor dog is described. Her poor is describing dog. Okay? So let's look at the next one. The teacher told the class an exciting story. What's our subject? Teacher. What'd your teacher do? Told. Told what? Story is your direct object. To whom did they tell the story? The class. That is our indirect object. Remember, indirect object is just diagrammed just like this. Okay, so the teacher told what? Story. To whom? The class. Okay, let's practice doing some of these together. Number 1, Dad, tell us the story about the big fish again. Okay, so our direct address is Dad. It's a command, so we have X. Okay, so tell is your verb. Tell what? Story is your direct object. To whom? Us is your indirect object. About the big fish is our prep phrase. So tell what? Story. We have the story. To whom? Us. About the big fish again. About fish, the, and big. Again is an adverb, so it goes under tell. Okay? Let's do number 5 together, and then you can do the rest on your own. Mrs. Hardesty handed an employee her grocery list. Do we have any prepositional phrases? No prep phrases. Okay? Our subject, our verb, handed what? Grocery list. To whom? The employee. So always find the direct object, then find the indirect object. So Mrs. Hardesty handed what? List. Grocery. Her. Okay. To whom? Employee. We have other words. Ms. Hardesty handed what? List. Her grocery. And an employee. All right, actually, let's do number 2 together, and then you can do the rest on your own. The waitress never offers anyone a glass of water. Do we have any prep phrases? Of waters or prep phrase. Waitress is our subject. Offers is your verb. Offers what? Glass. To whom? Anyone. Okay. Waitress, and then we have that. Again, this should be a review because we already took a quiz on this. Offers. Never's describing when, so it's an adverb underneath. Never offers what? Glass. We have Anyone's our indirect object. And then of water. All right, go ahead and complete the rest on your own. You have about 8 minutes to do that, and then the rest is homework if it's not done.